Chef Alina Z, and today we're gonna break down a myth that plant-based food is boring. We are going to have shrimp. It's going to look like shrimp, taste like shrimp, and it's gonna be amazing. So we'll get we're getting the shrimp.
What else do you recommend here?
Well, I wanted to get the Edo burrito, which I love. It's so good. It's raw vegan. And then something else, like maybe the Cali roll. Just
so beautiful, by the way.
Thank you. It's all the healthy food I've been eating.
I was intrigued how the food is not just vegan, you know, it also has this, like she said, living.
Yeah.
And it's nutrient dense and it's so packed with vitamins and everything. It's amazing. It's not like overcooked or fried or anything.
No, it's perfect. And he, I don't know if you guys know his story. He's been in silence 24 years.
The chef.
Yeah. So I know you're like into yoga.
Yeah.
So he'll sit over there and he gave me a hug and he's like, "Oh, you're filming." I mean, he didn't say it. He's like, but you're gonna take pictures of him. But he's very like.
Is he Asian?
Yeah. He calls his food a Humanese because like it started in the Vietnamese area in Fountain Valley, and this is their second location. So, but he's really sweet and he's just like he's very passionate about it, even though he hasn't spoken a word in 24 years. And he
still doesn't talk?
No.
Wow.
No. He
So
still doesn't talk.
Not, you know, like Italian chefs, they're like screaming
Exactly.
in the
Wow.
kitchen.
Yeah.
So he's just like super calm.
Yeah.
This is like a stress-free kitchen over there.
Well, that's why the food here is so high energy because they are just high on life and elixirs that we're gonna try.
I
Apparently.
can't wait to try all of that.
So this is Luba, Luba Vici. She is a professional model and a yogini and a holistic practitioner, and that's why she looks so fabulous.
Thank you.
And my other friend Elena, so Alina Elena, and she's also yogini, also model, and also holistic practitioner.
Exactly.
Wow. But you know,
Lots of wellness.
people look at models and they're like, "Wow, I want to look like that." And it's like, well, this is how. Like, you are what you eat. So if you eat vitality and you eat food that makes you feel good.
Yeah, before I didn't know that, I was just starving and just eating a couple of grapes and that's it.
Wow.
Yeah, modeling can be tough, especially if you do like bikini job. You don't want to eat anything. You're just like, that's it. I'm just drinking water today.
So what do you eat now? Like,
Now I eat pretty much plant-based. And if I'm shooting in a bikini, I definitely stay away from carbs. I eat my salad and just drink a little bit of water.
That's
And one more trick. If you want like be shredded even more, if you drink, you have a half a glass of red wine and then it makes you shredded.
really?
Yeah, it makes you like dehydrated somehow.
Really?
Of course, alcohol.
What happens if you drink a half a bottle? Will it make you even more shredded?
I never tried that. So
You're gonna try that.
we're gonna do
before
shoot.
Friday.
So
Perfect.
cheers!
To be forever young.
So we ordered the Edo burrito, which I absolutely love because it tastes like it has refried beans, but they're raw with a lot of living enzymes, so it's really good for digestion and no bloating. We got shrimp, my favorite. We got 2 orders of shrimp. This is made with yams, no soy, so delicious. We got the pho soup. I don't know what it's about, so we're gonna anise broth and all plant-based and apparently super awesome. And we got sushi with some coconut instead of calamari, so it has that flavor and texture of calamari because they're using the seasoning but different plant-based ingredients. You gonna try it?
Hot sauce.
I'm gonna try it. No, I don't know how it does it. It's so amazing.
The texture. Oh my god.
Wow.
It's like a real deal.
Incredible. It's not a real fish?
No,
What is it?
it's yams, but yams are not
Wow.
white. I don't understand how he made
Yeah,
it.
how he makes yams that are white?
Look, it's so good,
Real.
right?
Bleached yams.
Wow. I'm in shock.
The texture is incredible. I can believe that.
I think it tastes like shrimp. Y'all want to try it?
Yeah.
Y'all want to try it?
Incredible.
You have to try it.
Like,
Is
it's
that?
good for you.
No, shrimp is
But
not bad
this
for
is
you.
incredible. Now I'm gonna eat this.
It's better for the environment.
Wow. Right?
Isn't it so good? Isn't it so
The
good?
best.
I think when we walk out of here, we're gonna look like we're like 15. Like, hello.
Perfect.
Okay, I'm gonna try this.
Oh my God.
Actually, I have not tried the sushi here, this particular one.
But hot.
I know.
Okay, I'm gonna look at this like dulce. Oh, there's no rice. It's cucumber. There's no rice.
No carbs.
Kids clothes, because we're gonna be so young.
Well, after we eat so much here, I think we're gonna need one piece.
Look like little babies. In one piece. This food is beyond next level.
Right?
Yeah.
Like to me, this is what you should try if you want to try plant-based. And I always share
Definitely.
tips. Like people ask me, like, how do you try it? I always say, first of all, like you don't have to sign up for your whole life. Like it was one meal at a time. And then like try something that's fabulous. Like don't just go, oh, I'm gonna have a salad because like then it's gonna be boring.
Good boring, yeah.
Right? You can have salad anytime, but then try something fabulous, and then also try to avoid soy. Like I'm personally try to avoid soy, and this is made out of yams, so
That's incredible.
yeah, it's so good.
Wow.
Wow.
It looks fat.
Oh my! And the shell,
Heavenly. I'm coming back tomorrow.
and the shell is
So
raw.
Oh my god.
It's so good. Like it tastes like cooked burrito. That is actually
better.
good for you.
Beyond good.
Uh-huh.
OMG.
Oh, Jim, that's right.
Oh, it's so good. These two are my favorite dishes.
Which ones?
The shrimp and the burrito are by far my favorite two dishes. I mean, I want to expand my horizons, so I got the soup and the sushi.
Wow.
But isn't it so good?
Oh my
Beyond.
god.
So you guys are not plant-based, but you eat mostly plant-based.
Mostly.
Do you have any challenges, like how you overcame them, what kind of results you've had, like why did you decide to do it? Because people care about the results, like they want to know what's in it for them.
So I come from Eastern European culture. Lots of meat, lots of sausages, lots of everything. Like there's mostly meat, especially in the winter. So like root vegetables and meat. So I tried to be vegan about 6 or 7 years ago, and I did it for 3 months. And first I felt, oh my god, it's amazing, so much energy. I had my vision was brighter, everything was clear. Like I felt incredible. My skin was good. And then at the end of the 3rd month, I was just so weak. I was dreaming about chicken. I was looking at like burgers.
That's how it was for 3 months too. I was
Right?
happy for 3 months, and then after I was like,
Right?
it's so weird.
Yeah. So then I was like, I can't do this. I'm just so weak. I can't. I need to do it. I need to eat normal food again. Normal. So, and now after that time, I kind of started eating more vegetables and just like less meat, not like 3 times a day like I did before.
Well, I just feel like you have a good point. Like when you allow yourself to have anything you want, like you take away the stress and the pressure that you cannot have something, and then our bodies are super smart. Your body is super smart. The heart is beating on its own. You're breathing, and I tell people like you can test your body to know that your body wants you to live and doesn't want you to die. If you hold your nose and you don't breathe, like after a little bit of time, your body was like, breathe, motherfucker. It will want you to survive. Like your body wants you to survive and then thrive.
How about you?
Well, I think for me, like I went to school for nutrition just like you, and tried to be plant-based in New York City, and just forced myself because I learned the health benefits of it. And then like 3 months into it, I ran to the farmer's market and I'm like, I need liver. And I ate like the whole like pound of liver. And so I don't think you need to force yourself to become plant-based. You do what your body tells you to do. But to understand your body better for me is to become more higher, like I guess more meditation space, like higher conscious, like raising your connection to your higher self basically. So I do a lot of meditation. And just on the New Year's this year, so like 10, 11 months ago, I heard internally, no more meat. And it was very easy to give it up, but until then it was constantly a struggle. So my body told me, this is what I need right now. And so I stopped eating meat, and then I started, just having a little bit of fish, but mostly, plant-based. Nothing like this. This is like next level.
It's amazing.
I'm so grateful to be here because I only do very basic, like salad or juice or something. But this is like gourmet plant-based. But then again, listening to your body by becoming more attuned with yourself, slowing down your mind.
Oh, that's so good.
Do you want me to help you? I can help you too, if you don't mind using.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Помогай.
That's so hard. How many people does it take to get the fire?
That's perfect.
How many blondes does it take to get the...
That's good, that's enough. Thank you, blondes.
Thank you.
It's like one of the best lunches I've ever had.
Right?
Like
So
ever.
Yeah, it's delicious. So good.
Guys, gotta check it out.
Shrimp, eat a burrito, and the broth.
Yeah, so if my number one is shrimp, then eat a burrito, then the soup. Yeah.
I think
broth.
I agree.
Yeah, I can eat soup like every day, especially in the cold, winters.
Yeah.
So, and I'm a soup. I love soups. So I would go with soup first, then shrimp, and then that burrito. Actually, it's a tie. The burrito and shrimps are so good.
So I hope you enjoyed this little rendezvous with us. And if you are in LA or in Orange County, check out Au Lac in Fountain Valley or downtown LA. And if you live somewhere else, look at happycow.com. You'll see reviews, you'll see restaurants in your area. Then take a bunch of friends, go try things out, see what you like, experiment, and open a whole new world of awesome eating for you guys. Cheers to your health.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you, Alina.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for having me. It's amazing.